Alright, guys, we're back for part 2, and oh boy, has the supercell that we're tracking earlier caused some damage. You can just take a look at the reflectivity just for the past, let's say 30 frames, and it's going to show you all the devastation that happened. Look at that tight circulation near Rolla. Look at that. That was some crazy circulation reported. That supercell that we were watching earlier, man, look at that circulation. Look at that right near Rolla. That just went right through. Very terrible situation going on right now. As of now, we have 1, 2, 3, and 5 tornado warnings. And this is just going to get worse, guys. So I'm expecting more EF2 plus tornadoes. They're going to be your stronger tornadoes, not your very typical ones. So again, I advise you, if you hear or see a tornado outside, take cover. Take a damage report from Rolla. Roof off house. Roof off house from Rolla, Missouri. That tells you that there was a big tornado on the ground. That was a supercell we were tracking earlier. Yup, it definitely left a mark. Definitely left a mark. Oh my god. And we got some more damage reports coming in. Structural damage in trees down in Hartville. Wow. So this supercell really did some damage. Wow. That's some impressive damage. We're still seeing that really tight couplet right there. That couplet that we were tracking just a few minutes ago starting to weaken a little bit. So, not really looking at that anymore. We're looking at this one as well. So, this one has my eyes peeled. The radar is kind of terrible. It'll get a little better. Another tornado warning. Another one. Actually, this one has decent circulation. I will say that. We do have decent circulation with that one. Wait, no. It just updated. Not looking too much there. Again, generally, where these severe thunderstorms are here, you're mainly just looking at some wind. But down here, where you keep seeing this slew of tornado warnings where I was thinking, you're going to see some big time tornadoes possible in this area. Into St. Louis as well. Man, there's going to be some pretty popular areas into this tornado warning in a few minutes. St. Louis, you guys need to prepare now. We potentially got a damaging tornado headed your way. So, this outbreak is far from done. And this is just the beginning, guys. Some crazy, crazy times. Let's go check back into Arkansas onto the supercells. Yeah, look at this one here. Where's that? It's like right near Clarksville. Yeah. We are seeing a little bit of rotation on this one. Not too bad. What's this, though? What's that? That's interesting. This one right here near Mountain Home. That looks like a potential strong supercell. Except I wish I had a better viewing on it. I can't really get a better view. We're in a little bit of a radar hole, which sucks. Yeah, we're watching this one. And we're also watching this one too. Yeah. Again, the most concerning cells I'm seeing right now is near St. Louis. It's approaching St. Louis at least. Pretty concerning rotation. Still nonetheless. Look at this one. Oh, it's starting to gain some steam back together. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's quite a decent couplet right there. Hold up. You see that one near St. James? It was a lot stronger before. It weakened a lot. But now we're starting to see a new area of circulation right in here. That might be another supercell. Again, we're seeing that these storms are starting to overperform a lot. Especially near Rolla. That supercell that we're tracking earlier. That was a really potent one. Really potent. And I told you this would cause damage. And it indeed did. Significant damage to homes and structures reported. So, can get an idea that was a quite significant tornado on the ground. And that was almost for an hour. So, it was considered a long track supercell. Interesting. Trying to take a look here at SPC, what they reported. No tornado reports, but there was definitely a report. Yeah, this moderate risk just keeps on continuing for tonight. All the way into Tennessee, so we got a long night ahead. This is just the beginning of an onslaught of tornadoes. So, yeah, it's going to be a crazy evening. Oh, the day 2 one still remains the same. A little bit more expanded, but relatively the same. But the tornadoes we've been seeing so far were quite strong. Yeah, we still have a very high risk of tornadoes in the Tennessee, Arkansas, and Missouri area. Very high. We're going to be dealing with some... Oh, they even said this is a particularly dangerous situation. Several tornadoes and few intense tornadoes likely. Man, we're going to be dealing with some very nasty tornadoes potentially. So, this is definitely not the end. If y'all think this is the end, you can get that out of your head. We're going to be dealing with the long nocturnal event here. Checking back on this supercell near St. James, it's got quite the impressive rotation. Still has a little bit of that hook echo. Yep. That is still pretty impressive. I can't really tell anything from that. There still might be a tornado on the ground. Another tornado warning up to the north. There's a lot of circulations in these storms. If we get a little bit more of a well-defined view of these, then we can get a better idea of what's going on right now. Right now we can't, because we're in a bit of a radar hole, which sucks. Again, these tornadoes need to be monitored as well. Yeah, we can't really see much. It's kind of shit right now, but yeah, we can't do nothing about that. Sucks. Yeah, some very powerful cells though. Very powerful. Very powerful. 6 tornado warnings. I predict that this area may have like the highest risk of tornadoes. No. Actually, scratch that. This area, we have the potential to see EF2 plus tornadoes for sure. This area, again, yeah, you could see maybe an isolated strong tornado. This area, and specifically, we could see some big time tornadoes starting to form. It's a nocturnal event, so we don't have any problems with heating. We got big time storms. Again, from that same supercell, 2.7-inch hail. That just imagines how intense that supercell must have been. And also, sorry. And also what you realize, because we had such an impressive hail core, that's why the tornado dropped down. Because it was intensifying like crazy. So, impressive stuff, man, with these supercells so far. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Oh boy. Only gonna see more of these tornado warnings. Only more. In fact, someone's going down right now over there. Not a great view though. A Little Rock camera. Yeah, there's a lot of storms trying to brew down here in southern Arkansas. Oh yeah, but these rotations have to be watched. 1, 2, maybe even a third one here. Yeah, these two have my attention, especially this one. This could form a tornado anytime by now. Yeah, this rotation has me a little concerned. A little bit concerned. That could drop down a tornado. Little bit of a notch trying to develop there. It's trying to complete the cycle, becoming a supercell. It could drop a tornado anytime, man. Back near St. Louis, not much changing. So it's going to be a very active night. I've already seen a destructive tornado come through. And this just gives you an idea of how intense these tornadoes can really be. So, pretty significant stuff. Pretty significant stuff. Damn, 900 views. Pretty good. Yeah, we posted about that supercell. Got some pretty decent views. Already up to 1,000. Pretty good. I wish I could go live on TikTok. That'd be a lot better. I wish, but unfortunately I can't yet. I have to wait a couple more months and then we can start doing that. It'd be great. Unfortunately, YouTube, I don't know. YouTube is just really wonky and funky. Like, it doesn't really work. So, yeah. But again, these tornadoes near St. Louis have me the most concerned. These have a high chance of producing tornadoes, I think, due to the incredible supercells that we've been getting in that. And these tornadoes that have been spinning up in them. I think we did see an EF2, maybe an even EF3 in there. Really do think so. That was a really powerful cell that came through earlier. Yeah, look at that. I think we got a new tornado warning. Got a new tornado warning somewhere. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's this one. There might be some kind of circulation trying to develop. Right here. Has me very concerned. This is a gigantic supercell. That is crazy. Oh yeah, we can't look at that. It's crap. Sorry again. But we have a tightening area right now. That is with this cell. what I was talking about right now. Now let me change that color to a blue. Yeah, that's that cell I was talking about right there. Velocity here. I think it might have even touched down near Elmont. We have a significant velocity couplet in there that could touch down a strong tornado at any given point. Near Cuba, we also have an intense circulation right there. Not as intense as this one up north. I'm really concerned about this one now. That could produce a big tornado any given moment. Here, I don't see much near New Haven. That could change though. Yeah, still looking at a little bit of a hook right there. But again, to the north of Sullivan, we are looking at some pretty big tornado trying to form there. Near Arkansas, I do want to look at those storms as well, because I do think they will start spinning up soon. Trying to produce something. Here on the radar. Yeah, we got rotating pieces of energy right there in that storm. It's close. Oh, whoa. Look at this. Look at this near Arkansas. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Oh wow. Wait a minute. Look at this supercell right near this is in Arkansas near Marshall, Leslie. Wait, let me just take a little bit of a storm track right there. Yeah, it's moving like that. 60 miles an hour. There's some 14,000 people impacted by this. So this is a supercell I had my eyes on, and I think it's trying to get its act together now. You see that? You see that little appendage right there? That one little appendage is that an indication of that tornado, probably. The resolution's a little behind, but I think there's a massive tornado trying to develop. Near St. Louis, again. Oh, wow. I think we have a big tornado on the ground. Oh, my God. Near Spring Bluff. That is a massive tornado potentially on the ground. That could be... Sorry, man. Allergies. I hate it. But near... Wow. Oh, my God. That is a massive area of circulation we are watching for. That could literally spin up a strong tornado at any given moment. Wow, Missouri has been getting really bad hit with these storms. Wow. Bakersfield. Little storm right here. If it takes a discrete path, we could... Oh, wow. Oh my God, a lot of these storms are so discreet. That is not good. You don't want to see that. Back over to Arkansas, where I was keeping my eye out on that storm. Still has that appendage. Velocity. A little bit of velocity. Keeping my eye out on that. But again, the most concerning, near St. Louis, big time tornado trying to touch down. A big time tornado is trying to touch down. I'm going to say that right now. Nah, bro, this is really big rotation right there.
Tornado here that is warned west of New Haven, Missouri. I don't have a yellow watch on that, but it's the northernmost tornado warning for you to find it. It may go outside of the polygon just due to the path it's taken. It's being influenced by the cells to its south and east. So,
oh my God.
Yeah, there is a debris signature on that one now. So,
there's a tornado right there.
About to cross over County Road 100 here.
And there's trying to be a tornado right there. Yeah, I see why he's going on. Look at that ball. Look at that. debris ball trying to form. Like, you see that little hook right there? That is something to watch out too.
I do see the start of a debris signature there.
All right, thank you, meteorologist Andy Hill, for drawing our attention over here to this storm, which is producing a tornado. That little area of decreased correlation coefficient is likely where that tornado
Yeah,
is.
man, this is gonna be a busy evening.
And Pickney, take shelter now. We don't have a confirmed warning yet, but it looks like we can confirm it via radar. Let's see here.
Just tuning into Ryan, what he thinks about it.
So let's go back down to our storm that Bryce Shelton is on, and this is a pretty serious situation because it's about to come into the town of Bakersfield. If it hasn't already made it in there already.
All right, so let's take a look here at Bakersfield, Arkansas, because that's also a big storm we've been monitoring. That little supercell right there. What the heck? That is some terrible velocity. Oh my god, that is like... Oh, but like, look at this. Look at this velocity. Yeah, I can see why. That's quite the powerful storm. If I just got a better radar handle on it, that'd be really nice. But unfortunately, I don't think we do have a better radar handle. We just have this view. Again, the storms near St. Louis has my most attention. This one's really trying to spin up. Oh wow. Yup. I think we got a debris signature right here. That might be a little behind. Yeah, that is behind, but if anything, that tornado has moved on northward. Oh wow. Wait a minute. I think that's the beginning of a tornado right there. You see that signature right there? A little blip of a dot. I think that's the circulation that they're talking about. Yeah, I see it. I see it now. Oh, yeah. I see it. It's such a little tornado, but I do see it, though. I do see it. There might be a tornado. All radar indicated, but I'm going to tell you something big is going to try to touch down. Velocity here, correlation coefficient. Could be something near St. Clair. Big velocity couplet, though. No, the velocity couplet is down south. So, let me just get a little bit of a more updated velocity, just a few minutes. And then we'll take a look what is actually going on. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at that velocity signal right there. Oh, man. That is a big-time storm right there. Yeah, it is definitely showing that big-time storm right there. Yep. If you guys are anywhere near that storm, let me just trace that out for you. This is probably going to move through some very popular area. 472,000 people impacted. In fact, we just got a PDS tornado warning for Bakersfield. Apparently, we just got a PDS tornado warning for Bakersfield. Oh my god. Apparently, we just did. Let's take a look at the velocity. Not a very great radar to look at. It looks like a pretty big tornado is coming through. In fact, they did issue a particularly dangerous situation. A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Bakersfield. Oh, and it is a damaging tornado. Wow. Bro, we got so many storms to look out for. Oh, look at that tightening. Wow. We might get a PDS tornado warning with that. We might get a PDS with that. Here, not really. No, a little bit, a little bit. A little bit. But again, these storms are the most concerning. This. And the PDS tornado warning that we just got issued. I'm trying to see what's going on with the Bakersfield storm, though. It's a very terrible radar to look at, though. We got a new PDS tornado warning for the Bakersfield storm. Actually, yo. I'm trying to pull up a velocity sign from this. There's a lot of people, though. Bro, that's the problem. We're in a radar hole. But again, these tornadoes near St. Louis has me really concerned right now. Thank you, Ryan Hall, y'all, for doing that. We're gonna keep an eye out for Bakersfield. Very bad radar to look at, but apparently there is a PDS tornado warning. Now back to the St. Louis storms here. The velocity here. There's something trying to spin up. Might be weakening. Maybe. Oh no. Oh my god. Never mind. Oh my days. Never mind. Look at that debris signature. Oh wow. Okay, so no. Okay, why did they expire the tornado warning? I don't know, because I think there's still a monster tornado on the ground, and that's headed right towards Union. Dude, that's some crazy scans. My god. Apparently it's a PDS tornado warning. Dude, okay, wait. Let me take a look if someone is on that storm, because they might be on it. Apparently there is some big circulation. I'm getting a look. Okay, so I think they're trying to pull up the latest data. It's trying to, but it's not. Shit. Hold up. Let's take a look at this storm camera. If we can get anything from it. Apparently there's a PDS. Just trying to see.
Oop, shit, that's not what I wanted. Just let me put.
We did get a new here velocity update. I'm gonna take a look what that did. Come on, update. Come on, we don't got all day. Oh my god. Bro, it's not loading. It's loading so slowly. Oh my god. It is lagging like crazy. And why is it lagging so badly? Hold up, let me exit Radar Omega for a second. Oh, we still got a PDS tornado warning. I'm kind of shocked. I just want to take a look at it, though. Yeah, there is that appendage. I do believe that. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. Yup. Okay. Yup. That is a PDS tornado warning. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Yup. That is a massive tornado right there. That is a massive tornado right there. That is a ginormous tornado right there. Oh my goodness. That just went through Bakersfield. Oh, wow. Okay. Back to our St. Louis storms here. Where was that tornado here? Near Union. Right. I do remember where it was. Correlation. Oh my god. We have a big time correlation CC drop near Union. That might be a big tornado on the ground. Obscured in rain. It still shows a tornado right there. Wow. Yup. That's a signature right there. My god, today's gonna be so crazy. It's just gonna get more wild. And if you think you're done, you can never think that. Bro, tomorrow you can just imagine how insane it's gonna be. You can just imagine how insane it's gonna be. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's very rough. I can say that. Yeah, we have quite the tornado on the ground. Yeah, it's just updated here. I don't really see it, but you're gonna see it on the updated radar scan in a minute. This one up here, nothing yet. But this one near Union, there's a big time CC drop. Means there's a tornado on the ground. Apparently we got more tornado warnings down to the south. Wow, that's a lot of tornado warnings headed towards St. Louis. Crazy. Okay, Springfield radar. Let's pull it up. Oh my god. Yeah, that is a monster. Probably that is just a monster. Damn, 1,000 people.
Electricity scan. Latest velocity for me is 146.
It's interesting. Yeah, but I definitely believe that is a PDS. No doubt about that. Look at the velocity. This is just crazy near South Fork. Wow. So, wow. Oh my god. So we got a PDS tornado warning issued for north of Bakersfield into South Fork. This is a damaging, violent tornado headed towards South Fork and West Plains, Bransdale. And there's 15,000 people in this vicinity, so pretty big tornado on the ground. Again, It's not that great to look at, but you see that appendage right there? That's a damaging tornado. And according to the velocity here, we're seeing some pretty big time damaging tornado with that. So I advise you, if you're in South Fork and any of these areas, you take shelter now, because this is a damaging PDS tornado warning that could be producing an EF 2 to EF4 tornado right now. So yeah, it's gonna be a very active evening. So we're nowhere near done with this. Nowhere near done. It's a bad tornado. That looks like a really bad tornado, though. Yeah, we knew this was gonna happen. I just didn't know today was gonna be that significant of a tornado outbreak as tomorrow, but apparently today, there's quite an outbreak. You know, that's very, very interesting. At the very least, very bad. I'm just gonna make a post about that real fast, and we will get back with the coverage. Oh, sorry. That's just the post music, okay? So don't worry. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. We don't have tornadoes in New Jersey yet. Not yet. We'll see what happens on Sunday. Could be also another very interesting day. Bakersfield.